me you want to give the man them a drama star. Bumbuckler, I tell you say, yo, them youth there Jamaica, the man them suck completely, brother. You don't know what say? Today, Stephanie called me. And she tell me say, yo, our sister get robbed. In idea, because apparently our sister used a mechanic at the bottom of Linders Road. I must Linders Road? I don't know Linders Road, right, top side. The bottom part of Linders Road, top side jungle or so. You see me? Anyway, she left him with the car to do something. And him say it's going to take longer than what him think. So she has said to herself she don't want him keep her car. She tell him to come link her at her workplace because she work on retirement road. And she will drop him back and her next time when she have the time can left the vehicle. She do that. So she says, so boom, and she carry her back in him garage. Him a drive her car. She in her passenger seat. She said them a driver go towards Linders Road and him. She said when she drive, she know she pass two youth on a bicycle. But she said she not pay them no mind. You see me? Anyway, boom bang, she reach at the garage now and hold on. She reach at the garage now and the man jump out of the van because she drive one of the new pioneer them. Man jump out of the van and she come round for going in her passenger seat. She said by the time she reach at the door for open the door, the two boy that she see right pan her, she said she never know when them reach right round pan her from her side, you see me? So she said she's so nervous because when she look on them, the one that is slump on the back, must say a bike when I yang them or something. She said when they slump on the back, lift up him shirt and show her the gun and him use the gun and slap him chest like he just knock against him chest and the one where I ride, take out the gun and have the gun in him hand and I knock it with him other hand. So she said she look on them and them I look on she because she said she in a shock. She don't know what to do, you see me? Same time, the one ride said to her, say, yo, I go on, mommy, everything alright? So she say, yeah, everything alright. You know, say, I look where I look at things still. So she said to them, say, look at things for what? She said, him I say, one I'm bridging drop out and him I look at things for have a little drink up, you don't know him drop out and you don't know, kind of like a memorial type of thing. So she said, how much money say you want? The man said, him said $1,500, 15 bills. She said she just, because her three picking them got ill. And she said she just draw some money for pay one of them school fees. So she said she don't want go in the car and go in her bag for them follow her in the car. So she said to them, say, yo, I don't really have no money still, but me can probably find a grand for give. So him say, alright. But this is the blood clot tricky part now, brother. You don't know say when she give the man the grand, you don't know where the man asks her. The man asks her if she not nobody where she want dash way. If she not nobody where owe her no money or this or and she just can't deal with it no more, she just willing to pay her money. Cause that them do. And if she not nobody at workplace where I give her a hard time or nobody where go on like them one box bread out her mouth. You see me? So she said, no, me just start work, which part I'm working or something, I don't really know nobody. She said, him, I said, yeah. So you know, nobody, no family, nobody where you want to get rid of nothing. So she said, no, me, everybody good. So I said, all right, mommy, me like you, me like your vibes, mommy. So yeah, what? Me I give you my number, and if anybody you want to deal with or anything that you want me to deal with, just shout me. And me I work out something and me deal with it for you, you see me? So she said, all right then. And she said, him there, I chat a little bit until him just jump on the bike and drive off. The two of them strap. But me I say to Bumbuckler, I saw them man are willing to just take people life. Yeah, ride down on people with gun for $1,000, $1,500. And I saw them are willing to solicit service for do assassin work, brother, or hitman work in a broad daylight. This a man here look for rob the woman and him see him and I give him number for she call him. You see them people are not no sense. My youth, I tell you this man from this man in a dog, so our country in a trouble in a brother because of the level of violence and the level of crime that has become embedded in our culture, brother. I tell you, my youth. I tell her that. She tell me I couldn't believe. I said, really? She said, Marlani, if the police even they come to me and ask me what them look like, she said she couldn't tell them. Because she said, she's so frightened, she's so in a shock. She attack and she didn't even penetrate what she say. You see me I say? But me just show you them young youth might, and that's why police and ram for dash them, brother. And that's why them friend them no ram for dash them too. Because the man them not a sense, brother. The man them not a brain. The man them not click. And one thing alone them a click for. Them no want work, them no want do none else, and just want rob people and take people things. Now I tell you, brother, it's sad. It's sad. Big man thing, it's sad.
It's good evening, comrades. It wasn't about the robbery. It wasn't about the robbery. If them did want robber, them robber. If them want go in our vehicle, go take out our things, them, and shell her down, them do that. If them did want kill her, them kill her. Listen to me. We do not understand where the level of evil reaching in this country. The man them a hustler, and the man them job. Them a walk around and look client. Them a walk around and look client. Yeah, the man them say, them like her. You should not work. I work is like when you go out and I look job. You know, some people are desperate. Anything you want me to do, we clean the house. Me walk the dog. Anything. Just give me something I want, something to do. I feel them job that. Them a hitman. So them see her as a big woman a drive on the new brand Piero. She look like she have money. So me I come to you to come look a job. You know, and by the way, I give you trouble in your workplace. You know, a family for kill. Yeah, man, I feel them things. Man get knocked off. What you talk about? I say it around now. They're not a thief. They're not a petty thief. They're not in a that. They might kill, get them 150,000, 200,000. If it's a top man, you know, say more money. You know, say death go according 1 bullet, 2 bullet. So if you get 1 bullet, that's a 50,000, 2 bullet, 100,000, 3 bullet, 150. I saw it going on. And they work, they might do man. I saw them work, I saw it there. They never want to do a thing. If they don't want to do them shell her down. They never want to do nothing. But they might go around and I look client. I hustle them, sell them a hustle. I say it set.